So in this question, we're given the graph of an ellipse, and we want to match this graph to the equation. And we're given some different equations to choose from. And in order to figure out which equation matches, we need to really understand a couple different things about the ellipse. So I've taken a screenshot from our notes that we're going to take a glance at. And these are the equations of some ellipses. And I've got them oriented in two different ways, a horizontal orientation and a vertical orientation. So this first equation has a horizontal orientation and this second one has a vertical orientation. So let's compare the two equations just so we can see what are similar to each other and what are different. So I'm going to highlight what is the same in yellow. They both have x minus h squared. They both have y minus k squared. They both equal 1. However, what's different is that we have a squared underneath the x on the horizontal orientation and b squared underneath the x on the vertical orientation, and then vice versa over here. So this is going to tell us what the orientation is if we understand how these are set up. Now, in order for us to understand it, we have to know what A, B, and C stand for within the ellipse. So in the ellipse, you're going to have a center, and that center is going to be that HK. And with the center, we have foci, which occur horizontally on the horizontal orientation and occur vertically on the vertical orientation. So in red, we have the foci. And then we also have vertices, and the vertices occur horizontally on the horizontal orientation and vertically along the vertical orientation. And when I say it's horizontal oriented, it means it's longer horizontally. Vertically oriented is longer vertically. So those are some features that we care about. Now, the distance between the center and the focus is the value of C. And the distance between the center and the vertex is A. So you can see here that when you're vertically oriented, your A is along the longer part. And that's how we're going to tell what A is. A is longest. So because A is the distance between the center and the vertex, it's going to be the longest. So A is the longest. So when I look at my picture over here, I can see that this is vertically oriented, and because it's vertically oriented, the longer one is going to be underneath the Y. So I can go ahead and eliminate this one because Y has the shorter one, and eliminate this one because Y is shorter. And then from here, it's really easy to eliminate this one because it has a minus instead of a plus. Now, if we want to get into details, you can see here that the center is at 0, 0. And then if we go to the vertices here, those are at -9 and 9. So you can see that A is equal to 9, and that's why 81 is used in the equation. I haven't mentioned B yet. Now B is the distance between the center and the shorter side, and that's a distance of 1, and that's why we have a 1 squared underneath the x squared there. So in this example, we get x squared plus y squared over 81 equals 1 as the equation of the ellipse. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.